half of all American folks, 50% of folks, they check their retirement accounts at least 3 times a week when the market drops, okay? And a third of folks, they're pulling their money out when they see the market drop. And that's the problem. That single decision that has a temporary dip, it could turn into a permanent loss, folks. So today, I'm going to go through 5 things that you should do so you don't have to worry when there is a market drop for your retirement portfolio. So the next time you see that it falls, you're good to go, folks. So let me get right into it. The first and obvious thing is stop checking the balance every day. I've been licensed for the last decade. I have a lot of older clients. They do that all the time. Statistically speaking, half of investors, they look at their retirement accounts more than 3 times a week. Not once a week, 3 times a week. So the more you're looking, the more you're going to get anxious, the more you're going to make emotional decisions. So instead, you need to make a smart decision. So you need to set a rule for yourself. You're going to check your account. If it's once a month, if it's once a quarter, you don't need to do it every single day, okay? Not every time the news says the market's down. That's number 1. And number 2, you need to build a plan before the drop happens, not during it, it's before. It's the biggest gap that I see. Most people, they're going into retirement with no plan if there's a downturn, if there's a loss. They have all their eggs in that basket, and if something happens, they're screwed. So look, it could put you in a hard place where you're not feeling confident, which is why you need to have a strategy to understand, look, if the market drops, I can move my money here. I have a hard stop there, whatever you're doing. If the stocks fall 20%, what am I going to do? You need to write that stuff down. You need to have a decision so you know you could really stay calm. That's number 2. Now, number 3, and this is probably the biggest one. Understand that a drop doesn't necessarily mean a loss. Selling is a loss. The big problem is when you sell when the market drops, you're locking in a loss. You're not locking in the gain, folks. You're locking in the loss. And that's huge. So many people, they do that and they're not understanding how the market works. If there's a money downturn, if it's going to be a boost right back up, understand a temporary dip can happen, but when in doubt, zoom out. Look at the long-term track. You know, is it a 1% dip? Have you seen that happen? Is it the first time? Or guess what? Do you always see it's trending upwards? You got to understand that. Now, number 4, check your mix, okay? Not just the balance. Instead of how much money is lost, look at how much money you have actually invested in multiple accounts, okay? Are you still on the right kind of accounts? Meaning, if you have a 401k, are you checking the strategy in your 401k? Are you checking it in your mutual funds? Market drops is a great time to review your strategy, folks. If it's a terrible amount, a terrible momentum, it could be a good time to look at a downturn to switch stuff up. And then number 5, if you're in your 40s, you're in your 50s, you're in your 60s, you need to start protecting yourself years in advance. Start learning how to do a strategic rollout so all your money's not so volatile. When you have your retirement at its biggest risk is the 5 years before you retire. So you need to start looking at moving those funds. You don't have the time to recover. You know, someone's in the 20s, in their 30s, they have time. You may not have time to recover. So you got to understand how long you need to play the game and when you need to start getting out the game. All right? You don't want to sell your investments, you know, at the worst possible time. You need to do it at the best possible time or strategize so that all that stuff could work for you. So guys, to conclude everything, don't check all the time. Build a plan before you need it. Remember, drop isn't a loss, okay? Review your mix and make sure everything's different. And if you're in your peak years, your peak saving years are over, you need to start transferring it from your regular volatile accounts to more safe and secure accounts. The market's always going to go down, folks. It's going to happen. And sometimes that's not the risk. The risk is you doing something at the wrong time. And how do you react to it? Especially for those who have your 401k accounts, different kind of retirement accounts. There's something called a sequence of returns risk. The sequence of returns risk is once you hit retirement, right before retirement, and in 3 years after you retire, if you have a 15 to 18% drop in the market, that could reduce your whole retirement by 10 years. You don't want that to happen, folks. I don't care if you got a 401k, IRA, mutual fund, stocks, whatever you have. You got to make sure you're balancing it out correctly. And if you don't know how to do that, click the link in the description. I have a few free tools there so you could check to see if you're on the right track, see what you need to do. So if this makes sense, folks, make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. You're here to retire with Earl, a licensed rep that's been licensed for the last decade. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll see you on the next one.